In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink a LinkedIn post. With LinkedIn being one of the largest professional networking platforms, knowing how to create engaging content is key. One way to enhance your posts is by adding hyperlinks, making your content both interactive and resourceful. Let's dive right in and see how this is done, step by step. First things first, go ahead and navigate to the LinkedIn website. You'll be greeted with two options for signing in. You can either use your Google account for a quick sign-in process or continue with your LinkedIn account credentials. Occasionally, for additional security, LinkedIn might prompt you with a CAPTCHA verification step. Don't let this deter you, it's a simple process ensuring your account's safety. Once you're signed in, look for the Start a Post text box on your LinkedIn feed. This is where the magic begins. Click on this box to initiate creating a new post. Now think about the URL or the website you want to link to within your post. Start typing or paste the URL directly into your post. You might wonder, what happens next? LinkedIn is designed to automatically recognize and embed URLs into your post. This seamless integration is key to keeping your post clean and tidy, providing your audience a straightforward way to access your links. However, it's important to note you cannot insert a hyperlink text directly, as LinkedIn's system does not support this functionality. Once you've embedded the URL and finalized the content of your post, it's time to share it with the world. Simply look for the post button, give it a click, and voila, you've successfully created a LinkedIn post with an embedded hyperlink. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. Even though LinkedIn automatically embeds URLs, giving a little context or a personal touch to the accompanying text can significantly increase engagement and click-through rates. This could be a short description of what your audience can expect by clicking the link or a question to spark curiosity. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to include hyperlinks in your LinkedIn posts. This method not only makes your posts more appealing but also more informative and resourceful, potentially driving more engagement and providing value to your audience. Remember, the key is to blend these hyperlinks naturally within your content, enhancing the overall user experience on this professional platform. Happy posting!